Yo, was this map of America drawn by someone from Norway? To be fair, I guess it wouldn't have to be a person from Norway necessarily because it could be anyone from the rest of the world, as you can see. Because every time I talk to a Norwegian and they say they've been to America, this is the only parts of America they talk about. They say they've either been to, and I'll use my head as a pointer here, they've either been to Disney World, New York, which is really just New York City, not the whole New York State, let's be real, or Los Angeles, which is in California, which makes up the West Coast. But America is so big, it's like huge. There's almost 400 million people living in America. And there is so much more to America than yeehaw, what? What? New York, Disney World, or Los Angeles. For example, right there, right there, the West Coast, there's like 3 states of the West Coast. You got California, then on top of that, you got Oregon, and on top of that, you got Washington State, which is a different place than Washington, D.C. Now, to help you out, Washington State is like right there where my head is, right? And Washington, D.C. is like way over here, like over there. Washington, D.C., that's right around where I grew up in Northern Virginia. Which brings up another point. Virginia, which is where I'm from, is a completely different place than West Virginia. That's not the same place, okay? Not the same place. That's like someone asking you where you're from and you say Norway, and they say, oh my gosh, I've been to Sweden. It's so amazing. Completely different. Virginia is like over there. West Virginia is like over there. Different. But I will give Norwegians credit here because every time I hear of a Norwegian that has told me that they have been to America like as an exchange student, they always end up in this what area, which is like Americans don't even go there. That's why it's like called what. They always say, I went to high school in like Nebraska or Iowa or Indiana. Like Indiana doesn't even want to be in Indiana. Why do Norwegians go to Indiana for high school? I just got to know, if you have been an exchange student in America as a Norwegian, please put down in the comments where you went and why. Because if it was me, man, I'm trying to go to like Hawaii, San Diego, Miami, I mean, anywhere but Iowa. Ugh. But anyway, to close it out, is this really how you guys see America? Like, that's it? I hope not, although it's kind of like the major points, but there's so much more to America than that. Anyway, I'm out.